friend, my name is Pankaj Kumar. Today I am going to solve my previous write a program to list integer between two integer which is left and right, including left and right number also, and L and R can be integer between 1 to 100, where L is greater than 1. Of course, we are not considering negative number. Uh, and R is less than 100. You can follow me on my Facebook, or you can find this our program hashtag Mr. Programmer, hashtag program 006. Okay, so let's we see how we can write the program. Okay, first we will start write. We will open any text editor like Notepad or Visual Studio or anything, Code+, whatever you want. Okay, after that we will write program to take two numbers which is left and right from the user. So like for taking number from the user, we use instruction scanf %d. We will see in a program. Then apply algorithm. What will be algorithm? We will also see. Like it is very simple algorithm, but this program is very useful program, and it's used many places. Like suppose you want to see variation of car, like speed of car, like there will be a limit of speed of car, like it can be go up to suppose that 120 kilometer per hour. So we have to like list all integer, like speed of car may be from 0 to 120, like it may be 0 when car is standing, and it may be 120 when car is running up to high speed, maybe 60. Any integer can value can take. Okay, here a car speed may be not integer, but we are discretizing to solve our program. Similar, like we have variation of temperature may be also considered, like variation of temperatures with respect to time. Like you have a fridge or AC, you want to follow how the temperature was varying between a whole day, like what was the temperature in morning, what was the temperature in afternoon, what was temperature in evening. So like you can automate your system. So these programs are very useful. Also it is very useful in MATLAB. Like when you use in MATLAB it is very simple. That's just write one instruction, it will be list all the integer between that one. But we are going to do it by computer programming with C language. Okay, now after that writing algorithm, we will compile and print output, then we will stop. Okay, so let's see how we can apply our algorithm to write this program. So first we will take left number and we will take right number from the user. Okay, like suppose we will take left number as 7, okay, and right number is 12. Okay, so what we will do, we want to list number between 7 and 12, okay, including 7 and 12 also. So what we will do, first we will list 7 as it is, and what will be the next number, we will add +1 in this and check this 7 plus 1 must be less than or equal to 12. The 7 plus 1 is how much? 8. 8 is less than 12. Okay, then no problem, we will proceed next. Again we got 8, we will also apply same procedure. We will add +1, check whether this number is less than or equal to 12. It's yeah, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, it's less than 0. Proceed next, same proceed next. Again when we come up to 11, what do you do? 11 plus 1 equal to 12, is equal to 12 means we have to stop here, and we will exit from the program and print the output. Okay, so let's we write a code for that. Okay, so first we have to write include a studio, like it is a studio standard input output. It is header file for C programming, like it has a main function and printf, scanf, these are function are defined. We can use to like print like when you use assembly language, so it will be very difficult, like there is a different opcode and that machine language, so these are already defined function we can directly use. Then we will use int main part. It is a main function we are defining as a one integer type. Okay, then here we will define the two integer variable. Okay, so let we define as integer type. So this is like there are different type of variable, float variable, integer variable, character variable. That these are type of variable we will see later on. First we are focusing uh, on our problem. Actually we were not learning traditionally. Actually we learn things according to our problem. Okay, so we define integer L and R. Okay, here we are defining one extra variable, integer, which is used to put get value between these ones, so we can increment this I and we will get next value for the our array or list. Okay, so after that we will get L and R from the user. So what is the instruction to get input from user? We use scanf, okay, and store in variable L. Okay, and also again we will scanf and store variable in R. Okay, after that we write here logic for printing integer between L and R. So what will be logic? We will first apply, like we have defined, we are starting from L, so we will define I from L, or I less than or equal to R, and we will increment this one. And after that we like print percentage d I, so we simply print I. And these are important, but like suppose if you are coding in some online platform or giving interview or any aptitude test, so there are particular format of output. Okay, so we have to get output in that particular form. Okay, so make sure that we can use here percentage d, percentage t tabular form also, lekin but in our output there was a space between each number, so we are using a space. Then we simply return s and control s. When we will do control s, save, then we will come to our compiler. Okay, simply you use the command prompt and go to the directory in which you have saved your program using cd space your folder name or that kind of thing. After coming to your directory, program directory where you have saved your program, just write gcc your program name, like my program is program 006. Okay, program underscore 006 dot c. Okay, here I have compiled for getting output a dot exe. Okay, now here I have to give input, like you have to give left number, so we give here 10 enter, then you have to give right number left 25. So here list 10 to 25. Okay, here we can change some minor change also, like rather than using this bracket, it will be also list as a tabular form. Okay, some compiler may be mark as an error, but some will be not. Will be useful for, like here we give 12 120 enter. So look, it's also working. Or there is one more different format is that here you can use percentage t tabular form. Okay, so there are different suppose if you are writing a code online, so if you are not getting, So try to do different things that, like, practice make perfect. Okay, so you have to do a lot of practice. Like if something is not working, then try to do something different, and then compile it and run that. um, then you will get your required output. Okay, don't be frustrated, because programming is a when you will frustrated, but it will be very difficult to write a code. Okay, so this is a tabular form. Oh, and actually here we do a mistake. Okay, okay, yeah. Mm, yeah, and this will be okay. There was a mistake here. I have written percentage two. So now again we will go to the command prompt, compile that one, and get output. Let 10, let 0, 120. So it will be listed in tabular form. Okay, okay, thank you very much